Hi. 7 months ago, I was selling software to some of the world's largest banks and telcos, and I was thoroughly miserable. I was very well paid, but highly stressed, overworked, just chasing the next paycheck, chasing the money, and I couldn't see a way out of this never-ending loop. The more money I earned, the more I borrowed, the more I got into debt, the more I needed to earn, and so on and so forth. 7 months later, I'm now traveling the world, South Africa, Cape Town, Mexico, Cozumel, all over the world, earning a healthy income, primarily automated, so I have a lot of time on my hands, earning more than I earned whilst running at the rat race, and I feel truly blessed. And not only that, I'm now earning a living by helping other people live a similar lifestyle to mine. So my laptop lifestyle has become a reality, and if I can do it, and I'm just a normal guy, if I can do this, anyone can do this, I promise you. All you need to do is follow the steps, keep going, and never ever quit, and you'll get here. And you know what? It's really worth getting here.